Welcome to how to see saved posts tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to see your saved posts in Reddit. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open the Reddit app on your phone. So from here, if you found a post that you liked, you can click on the three dots on the top right and then click on save. As you see, I will save this one too. And from here, you can click on your profile picture on the top right. Then you can click on save to see your saved posts. As you see here, all the saved posts are in this section. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.